Congratulations on your new Porsche. I want to tell you about 2 services you can choose to help protect your new vehicle. So the first is going to be paint protection film, also known as Clear Bra. Now this is a precision cut film that gets applied to your vehicle's paint to help protect it against rock chips, debris, large scratches, impact damage. The second type of protection is going to be a ceramic coating package. A ceramic coating is a chemical layer of protection that bonds with your vehicle's surfaces to protect it against environmental elements, environmental contaminants, light scratches, and also makes it extremely easy to maintain because it doesn't allow dirt, debris, pollen, things like that to actually stick to your painted surface. Our ceramic coating packages typically involve a varying level of preparation that goes into the paint, such as a polish, a paint correction, paint enhancement, and what that's going to do is actually give your vehicle's paint a deep clean. Now, even though it's a new vehicle to you, all vehicles, no matter if it's a Nissan or a Ferrari, come with varying levels of not only contamination in the paint, but also defects from the factory. These things can be addressed with proper paint corrections and paint enhancements to really dial in your paint, giving it the best results possible before a ceramic coating is applied to lock in those finished results. So no matter what Porsche you choose, come see us at iXexotics so we can go over all the options that are available to keep your new ride looking its best for years to come.